Hello and welcome to Learning BricsCAD. In this lesson we're going to be exploring options for printing your designs. Right-clicking in the graphics window and using the quad cursor, we can start the print command. And when I do that, you'll notice the print model dialog box comes up. So we're currently in model space. There's no page setup defined here. We're going to select a print as PDF for the printer plotter configuration. And let's place it on a architectural D-size sheet of paper, leaving the plot area at view. Plot scales currently fit print area, and we'll go ahead and center it on the sheet. Notice how plot scale is currently set to fit, and if we do a preview, the previewing application for the PDF file, whichever is on your computer, will open up a preview of this particular print. And as you can see, it's an exact representation of the view. We can zoom in and out. You've got basic PDF controls. Closing this application and returning to BricsCAD, we're going to explore in this lesson ways of printing or different methods of printing the same geometry. So now let's take a look at changing the plot area to extents and clicking preview. And now you'll notice a completely different view on the sheet. So in this case, the entire extents of the drawing, that is represented by the objects on the furthermost outside parts of the drawing, are calculated, and that area is printed. Let's take a look at the window option. If I click that and then choose the select area to be printed, I can define the window area that I want to select, and I can be very accurate about it using entity snaps. And again, you'll notice that that exact area is placed on the sheet, in this case filling up the sheet. So let's close this tab, or the viewing application, and uncheck the fit print area to size of paper or size of page, and let's set a specific scale factor of 1.5 inches equals a foot, and click preview. Again, this is a D-size sheet of paper, so note the difference. Now this is an exact scale of the geometry at the scale selected. Changing the paper size, let's choose an ANSI B 11 by 17 inches. And again, click preview. Again, notice the difference. Now we're printing to a B-size sheet. Next, we'll click the print button and create the PDF file. Switching over to unit plan. Next, we'll click the file menu, again choose print, and this time then select the ANSI expanded B 17 by 11 with a scale of 1:1 and click preview. Review the results. And we'll go ahead and click this as well. Click print and create the PDF file. Okay, continuing to demonstrate print options or printing functionality, moving over to the first floor plan layout, and then we're going to execute the print command. This time we will change the paper size to be equal to an architectural expanded D. Notice that we're set to print the layout at a 1:1 scale, and click print. So the file name for the PDF is automatically created. Click save. And then if I wanted to view that drawing, I would just go back to the folder and access that PDF. At this point, it could be shared with others, be sent to a printer, or emailed. Moving back to the print command, this time we're going to assign a page setup name, PDF 11 by 17, and then you'll notice the paper size, the plot area, the plot scale, all of those properties are automatically assigned to this layout now for the purpose of printing. So rather than change each of these options individually, I can select a page setup and apply them all at once. Clicking print here will print that PDF. And again, the title name is automatically placed. And that completes our lesson on printing in BricsCAD.